This video is based on the technical analysis of Capitec Bank. As you guys know, Capitec Bank is listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. And without wasting any further time, guys, let's get straight into the actual chart. And we are on the monthly chart. And in regards to the monthly chart, we can see that price or the price action is in a downward trending market, which means that at this point in time, we should not really be looking for potential buy opportunities. To add to this, another thing that I also want to point out is that we may actually see price from this level actually move further down to around this level, which is a very strong level of support, or even that level which is in line with this structure over here. And if you actually look at the structure over here, it would make sense for price to actually move that down to that level, and that is because we have what seems to be an overextended M structure over here, which has a neckline at that point, and the structure would have started at this point. And ideally, we would love to see price actually end at that level in line with where it would have started. And at this point over here, where this M structure started, is where I believe we would then look for potential buy opportunities. Having said all this, as much as we are in a downward trending market and we should not be looking for buy opportunities, the market has also given us what seems to be an inverted head and shoulders pattern at this point, with this side being the left shoulder, this being the head, and this area over here being the right hand shoulder. And we can also see that it has a neckline at that point. And you guys know that whenever we have these patterns, ideally we want to see price break into the upside of that neckline, and then in the future come back to the neckline to test it. And at that point where we have that neckline is where we look for potential buy opportunities, especially if the neckline of that inverted head and shoulders pattern aligns with any key numbers that we have in regards to the Fibonacci retracement tool, right? So what am I saying? What I'm saying in other words is that at this point in time, as things stand, we should not be looking for buy opportunities, as we may see price actually move further down to around this level over here. However, having said that, because we have, as I said, this inverted head and shoulders pattern which has a neckline at that point, we want to see price closing sufficiently above that neckline, and then come back to the neckline. And at that point, as I said, is where we would look for those potential buy opportunities, especially if the neckline aligns with any key numbers that we have in regards to the Fibonacci retracement tool, right? And if we do indeed find any good buy opportunities at this point, I believe that our first take profit should be around that level. Why do I say that level? That is because this level is, or rather would be, a very strong level of resistance, and it's also in alignment with where this structure would have started. Can you guys see that?